How to find a winning product using Keepa in 2024. Open the Keepa in your PC and click on Data, and then click on Product Finder. I will explain to you how to fill the forum. In the first step, we have sales rank. I will select it from 1 to 40,000. I have to tell you that we are filling the forum for Amazon USA or Amazon.com. The second step is filling the third-party FBA price. It will be from 15 to 20. Now select a root category. I will select one, for example, beauty and personal care. So you can choose your own category as you wish. We must have at least 5 or 4 minimum FBA sellers on the product. Scroll down, the buy box seller will be third party, buy box which is yes, unqualified no. The product type will be only physical products, and variation is related to you. You want to have a product with variations or not. The Amazon out of stock percentage will be from 60 or 70% to 100. And this is a new option in the Keepa bought in the past month, so you can select it or you can fill it according to your need. So I will just write it 100. Rating of the product will be minimum 4, and also uncheck all these options as you can see. Now scroll down. The item weight will be 2000 maximum. It is related to you that you choose higher or not. Adult product no, and for an eligible product also no. Click on the find products. You will see a lot of products here, the winning products, because I filled the forum according to the needs of new FBA sellers. If you have any question, you can comment me in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.